Hi everyone, my name is Uma Mayan and my today's topic name is keywords in Java. Java keywords are reverse word with a predefined meaning in the language. They cannot be used as identifiers, name ops, variables, classes, method, etc. and are fundamental to the syntax of the language. Java has a total of 52 keywords, each serving specific purpose in program structures, flow control, and data types and object-oriented principles. Here's an in-depth explanations of Java keywords with details on how they are used. And some keywords are access modifiers. That first is a private. Private declares a private method, variable, or constructors that is accessible only with its class. Second is a protected, grants access to classes in the same package and subclasses. And that is third is a public. Public declared data class, method, or variable is accessible from anywhere. And third is a second is a class and object related keywords. That first is a class, used to declare a class in Java. Example, class car, open bracket, close bracket, in sentence. Fifth is a interfaces, declares an interfaces which is a collection of abstract method. Six is a abstracts, declare a method or class and abstract. An abstract class cannot be initialized and abstract method must be implemented in a subclasses. Seventh is a extends. Extends used to indicate that a class is inheriting from a parent class. And that 8 is a implements, indicates that a class implements an interface. 9 is a new is a used to create a new object. 10 is a instance of, check if an object an instance of a specific class or interface. 11th is a this, refers to the current object within a method or constructor. And 12 is a super, refers to the parent class, method, or constructor. And 13 is a enum. Enum define a fixed set of constants. That name is final. And some keywords are controls flow keywords. And that's in 14 is if specifies a block of code to execute if a condition is true. Example, if in bracket x greater than 5 and open and close bracket in conditions. 15 is a else specifies a block of code to execute if the condition in the if statement is false. That 16 is a switch, allows multiple possible executions path based on the value. 17 is a case. 17 is a case used in a switch block to define different action based on different conditions. And 18 is the default, specifies the default case in a switch statements. 19 is a while, executes a block of code as long as the condition is true. And 20 is a do, similar to while, but the block of code is executed at least once before the conditions is checked. And 21 is a for, a looping structure that allow repeated iterations of a code. And 21 and 22 is a break. Break is a exit a loop or switch statements. And 23 is a continue. Continue skips the current interaction of a loop and move of the next one. 24. 24 is a return. Return exit a method and optionally returns a value. And then error handling are some keywords. 25. 25 is a try. Try is a defines a block of code that will be tested for errors. And 26 is a catch. Define a block of code that will be handle an error throw by the trap block. And 27 is a finally. Define a block of code that will be executed after the try and catch blocks, um, regardless of whether an error occur. 28. 28 is a throw. Throw used to implicity throw on implicity implicity throw an exception. And 20 and 30 and them some keywords are object oriented keywords. That is a 13 is a 30 is a static. Static used to declare a method or variable as delong, delogging to the class rather than to instance of the class. And 31 is a final is used to declare constants or to prevent method overriding or in returns. Thank you everyone, and this is my today's topic.